Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending October 28th, all of the three major indexes were up for the week, with the Dow gaining the most, up almost 6%, driven in large part by the uptick in third quarter earnings reports. Consumer confidence declined from 107.8 in September to 102.5, pointing to a potentially weak current and expected economic situation. Disposable personal income increased by 0.4%. However, personal consumption expenditures increased by 0.6%. The pending home sales index dropped by 10.2% in September. The consensus expected a decline of only 2.5%, pointing to an even more pronounced weakness in the months ahead. Home prices declined for the second consecutive month, something not seen since March of 2011. The sale of new single-family homes declined 10.9% from last year. The median sales price of a new single-family home was $470,600, while the average sales price was $517,700. The first estimate of GDP for the third quarter came in at 2.6%. The U.S. economy has continued to weaken, and this 2.6% is hiding some of that weakness. It was net exports that contributed 2.77 percentage points to economic growth as exports of goods surged during the quarter, even as the U.S. dollar remained strong. The Federal Reserve should look at this report with caution and remain mindful of the underlying trend for U.S. economic growth, which shows a weakening economy. Year to date, the Dow is down 9.6%, the S&P is down 18.2%, and the Nasdaq is down 29%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.01%. Oil closed at $88.19 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,642.30 an ounce, with silver closing at $19.24 an ounce. For this week of October 31st, Monday we'll get the Chicago PMI. Tuesday, job openings and quits. Construction spending, motor vehicle sales, and the S&P Manufacturing PMI and the ISM Manufacturing Index will be reported. Both of these indexes measure manufacturing activity based on surveys of managers. Wednesday, we'll get the ADP employment report, the Fed's interest rate announcement, and Fed Chairman Powell's press conference. On Thursday, initial jobless claims and productivity data will be reported. And on Friday, non-farm payrolls, the labor participation rate, the unemployment rate, and average hourly earnings all will be reported, as well as earnings reports for the quarter from corporations. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you want in your portfolio. If you have any questions pertaining to your portfolio or anything you've heard in this video, give me a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a great week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.